It's long-term what?
Okay, let's get started. People always ask, how much does long-term care insurance cost? Well, the short answer is it's tough to say. It's like asking a realtor, what does a house cost? It depends, but today I'll show what drives the price and give a few real examples. First, you can name your price. Remember the game show The Price is Right back when Bob Barker was the host? Contestants got to name their price.
Go ahead. 9, 0. No, you won.
Long-term care insurance works the same way. There's no preset gold, silver, or bronze plan. Let's say you get some quotes from us. You could lower your costs and your benefits would drop by about the same amount. Or you could increase your costs and your benefits would rise about the same amount. You name your price. Now for a segment I call Not Important, but Interesting. Years ago, I went to a live taping of The Price is Right. Before entering the theater, we all lined up in what was basically one big audition. A producer asked one question, something simple like, where are you from? If you jumped up and down shouting, I'm from Nebraska, that was good. If you calmly said, I'm from Florida, like I did, that was bad. I didn't get called up, but that's why everyone on stage looked so ridiculously excited. As you name your price, remember that insurance doesn't have to cover every last dollar. Many people get meaningful coverage, enough to ease the cost, but not cover the whole thing. Once you've set your budget, the next question is how you want to pay. Some policies let you pay once and be done. For others, you can spread payments over 5, 10, or even lifetime terms. The longer you stretch it, the more you'll pay overall. And here's an important detail. Not all policies guarantee that your cost will stay the same each year. Some older policies were cheaper up front, but their premiums have gone up over time. We can show you policies that guarantee that your costs will never go up. Next, let's discuss the factors that go into the price. The price varies on you. Women typically pay more because they live longer. Costs also rise each birthday and with certain health conditions. You can also spend more to add various options or riders to your policy. One of the biggest options is how you want your benefits to grow. 3% or 5% a year to keep up with care costs. There are about a dozen strong insurers offering coverage, each with different sweet spots. Some have better options for women in their 60s or if you're in physical therapy. That's why it's always smart to shop around. No matter where you buy, us or any broker, the cost is the same. Insurers set the price. So it helps to shop insurers but not agents for the right price. Long-term care insurance offers lots of tax perks. Benefits are usually tax-free when you receive them. And if you're a business owner, what you pay can often be tax deductible, especially for C Corps. In other words, you'll pay less. Now let's dig into some specific examples. If you compare long-term care insurance with other types like auto or health insurance, it might look higher. Well, why? Well, because there's a high chance you'll need it and the costs of care are high. More than half of us will need some form of care, and assisted living averages over $75,000 a year, and memory care and nursing homes cost even more. So now I'll show two examples, each offering 3 years of benefits that grow 3% per year to keep up with rising care costs. Prices change every few years, so treat these as rough estimates. First, a traditional policy. These are older style plans I compared to Wile E. Coyote in another video. A 55-year-old man could pay $200 a month for his life. His benefits would grow to about $140,000 per year by age 80. Now, a hybrid policy, it's a newer type that I compare to the Roadrunner. A 55-year-old woman could pay $10,000 per year for just 10 years. Her benefits would grow to about $150,000 per year by age 80. And if she never needed care, her family would receive a $140,000 refund, more than the $100,000 she paid in. So a lot goes into the price, which is why it's really smart to compare. These policies aren't just for the wealthy. And like The Price is Right, you get to name your price and still get meaningful coverage.
Kelly is over there in that $10,000 area again. She got it. $10,000.
I'm Jesse, and this is long-term... What? If this helped, share it with someone who needs it, like it so more people see it, and subscribe for more unboring long-term care tips. And if you're thinking about long-term care insurance, we work with all the top insurers to find you the option that fits you best. You can also see a link in the description for a simple, pricing calculator. To request quotes or to learn more, visit longtermwhat.com. Thanks.
742. You're over. You win, Cody. And there he goes. That's the last we'll see of Cody.